Hello, it's Mr. Will again. We're back. This video is for Denominators for Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. How is it April already? I'm back with a video, and today our lesson is going to be about something called point slope form. One more time, point slope form. And we're going to write linear equations in this point slope form. But first, we need to talk a little bit about what point slope form is all about. So I drew a very nice picture here describing what point slope form is. Now, an equation in point slope form, you can read the x and the y coordinates of the point on a line and the slope of the line. So really, it's a fancy way of just looking at the relationship between 2 points on a single line. Okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take, when we have 2 points, like 2 and 3, and the slope, they're giving us a slope of 1/2, and we're going to plug it into our point slope form equation, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And again, it's just a fancy way of taking the information that we have and putting in an equation to convey both the x and y coordinates on a line and the slope of the line. So, in the problem, it says write an equation in point slope form of a line that passes through the point 2, 3 with a slope of 1/2. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the slope formula when we do this. Our slope formula, if you remember, is y equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? Now we're going to take our information from our problem and solve this, and really we're just plugging it in. So we can substitute our slope of 1/2 for m. Okay? Because remember, back from our linear equations, y equals mx plus b, m is our slope. So we're going to take 1/2 and we're going to plug it in for m. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 and plug it into x, because that's representing x, and 3 and plug it into our y. So what we're left with when we do that is y minus 3 and x, that's a y, sorry, x minus 2. So really what we've done is we've just taken our information from our problem that they've given us. The 2 and the 3 represent the line that passes through the points. 1/2 is the slope. And what we're going to do is we're going to simplify this equation. When we have x minus 2, we're going to get rid of that by multiplying each side by x minus 2. So if we multiply this side times x minus 2, that takes care of this. And then on this side, we're going to multiply x minus 2. And when we do that, we're left with 1/2 times x minus 2 equals, that's right, y minus 3. The equation for this, and we're just going to flip it around to mirror this, the equation is for point slope form is this: y minus 3 equals 1/2 times x minus 2. This is your equation in point slope form. Now, I'm going to kick it back to you, and I'm going to give you some problems for independent practice where you are going to get the point, the line that passes through a particular point, and the slope. And what I would like you to do is practice plugging the information from the problem into point slope form. Good luck. If you have any questions, please feel free to log in and video chat with me every morning from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or email me throughout the day with any questions that you may have. Good luck, and I'll see you Friday. Take care.